Inside a cramped New York trading floor, Glenn Neely stares at a chaotic series of stock price charts. The crowd screams, numbers flash, but Neely's focus isn't on the noise, it's on the strange repeating waves beneath the chaos. What if you could decode market madness with scientific certainty? This book doesn't just speculate on Elliott waves, it rewrites the rules. And here's the kicker, glitches in the market reveal secret signals. Ready to crack the code? Let's start by slashing through the fog around Elliott Wave Theory. Most traders think it's an art, but Neely flips that on its head, demanding rigorous science. Back in 1985, Neely sat with veteran traders in Chicago, tracing market cycles not by intuition but defined wave shapes and counts. Unlike the scattered chaos they expected, his system revealed consistent, repeatable wave structures. This wasn't guesswork, it was grounded in hard-edged criteria, like measuring DNA strands rather than guessing at fingerprints. Imagine the market as a living organism. Neely shows that wave patterns are like genetic codes, each wave a fundamental building block signaling growth or retreat. These waves nest inside each other like Russian dolls, forming predictable fractals that mirror the market's internal biology. If you understand these patterns, you read the market's genetic blueprint. The payoff, Neely moves Elliott Wave out of the mystic realm into an exact science for forecasting. By applying objective rules, you gain a toolkit that cuts through market noise. Suddenly, what seemed random becomes a language you can learn and even translate into reliable predictions. Most Elliott Wave guides give you vague patterns. Neely delivers a blueprint, a framework to navigate markets with surgical precision. In a pivotal session in New Jersey, Neely proved that wavelengths must obey exact Fibonacci ratios. He mapped waves so precisely that his predictions for the 1987 crash's corrective patterns nailed timing and price targets overlooked by everyone else. It demonstrated waves aren't just rough shapes, they obey math rules like planets in orbit. Neely pioneered a unique tagging system that classifies every wave by type, degree, and function. Think of it as labeling every piece in a massive jigsaw puzzle. This system lets you instantly know where you are in the market's life cycle instead of guessing the next move blindly like so many traders do. Markets throw curveballs, waves misbehave, corrections extend. Neely's method doesn't freeze under pressure, it embraces real-time corrections by constantly updating counts and scenarios. This flexibility turns uncertainty into actionable insights, so your strategy adapts dynamically to market reality. Knowing waves isn't just academic, it's about winning trades and beating the market's pulse consistently. Neely recounts the 1986 IBM run, where he used wave counts to predict a swift reversal that caught many traders flat-footed. By following wave projections closely, one trader made a 25% return in weeks, validating Neely's approach in real-world battle conditions, proof that mastering waves isn't just theory but profit in your pocket. Wave analysis isn't just for entry points. Neely teaches that understanding wave failures and corrections helps you set precise stop-loss levels and targets. It's like having an internal map for risk, where the market's shakeout points become clear danger signs, letting you protect capital and maximize upside efficiently. The ultimate win, Neely's method turns market unpredictability into calculated risk and probability. Instead of guessing, you harness the market's rhythm and turn it into your edge. This recalibrates your mindset from reactive gambler to confident strategist, a game changer if you want to move from luck to skill. Remember that loud New York trading floor? You're not just watching noise anymore, you're reading the market's genetic code. By mastering Neely's scientific approach to Elliott waves, you transform chaos into clarity. Try this, next time you look at a chart, identify one wave pattern using Neely's criteria. See how that changes your perspective. Suddenly, you're no longer a spectator, but a market decoder. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.